been a demonstration teacher now for 2 years, and I think that some of my strengths that people could come and watch and maybe gain some value from would be incorporating ESOL strategies into a core gen ed classroom. So I teach 2 different levels of science. I teach biology and I teach a more low-level semester class that's environmental science. And I've learned throughout my graduate work through getting an ESL endorsement, but then also a teaching effectiveness master's through Drake, that incorporating these strategies that are meant for and named for ESOL strategies, and to help those students who are trying to acquire more English proficiency, that it works for all kids. So I have recently started to incorporate more of the 10 and 2 model, meaning that when I'm instructing, that I may only instruct for about 10 minutes, and then I give a short amount of time for students to work and collaborate to answer questions or to work on the problems that we have addressed in those 10 minutes. Or big Y, little y, or big P, big P. Like the letters that we use to signify those genes, that's the genetic makeup. Okay? We will come back to this. I know you're trying to skip ahead and find it in your notes, but don't worry about it. We'll get to it in a second. I have these slides twice. So let's do our practice. I use a lot of non-linguistic representations. I use a lot of pictures with picture sorts. I use diagrams. We do graphing, and those types of activities help put images with words when ESL students are trying to, again, gain that academic knowledge and that academic language. You need to write clearly enough that you can tell the difference between those dominant alleles by others. So if I look at this, which this is the same chart, okay, I just filled it out one step at a time. Type, tall or short? Tall. How do you know? It says dominant. All right, so it's tall. Homozygous dominant for tallness. What's the genotype? That's the letters. Which T's? You gotta be specific. Bigs or littles? Big. Yep. Big T, big T. The female part of the plant is homozygous recessive for tallness of the. Desks are grouped in pods, and so there's a lot of collaboration within peers, and that grouping is really important to help not only ESL students but all students work together and get that content from just each other, because they can put it in words and explain it differently than I can as an instructor, and so I've really seen how that can help. We're going to have them self-pollinate, so it's with the male is the same. This time I want you to do the whole square. You have to set up the top and the side and fill out the boxes. Use your group to help you. Talk it out. Talk to your groups, guys, if you're confused.
Okay, so you know how the female was the TT over here because she was short? Because it said short. So you're going to do the same thing. And you put 2, like the same genotypes for the male. And then the genotype. Like put what you wrote here, right there.
You are free to use your note packet, your book, what you just practiced as a group. If you'd like to move around and work with somebody at another desk, that's fine. I will be around to help you. Ms. Roman can probably help out. Whatever you need. of the DNA in the cell. Because when it meets up with a female egg cell that are also separated, then you get babies that have the 2 copies. That's what we need. So go ahead and try and fill out this square. Talk with your group if you need to.